Come with us on video to see how Beilite breakers are put together. This is a live look at the assembly workshop at the Beilite factory. Precision manufacturing by Beilite. Built with advanced manufacturing and strict quality standards for customers worldwide, inside the Beilite packing workshop. Every breaker is professionally packed and prepared for safe worldwide delivery. Thanks to precision manufacturing in the earlier stages, all components are produced to tight tolerances, allowing the front cylinder and middle cylinder to fit together seamlessly. Each machine is assembled under optimal conditions and undergoes thorough testing before being shipped to the customer. Next, we move to the second assembly workshop, where the installation of a large hydraulic breaker is demonstrated. This heavy-duty breaker is designed to fit excavators in the larger tonnage classes. Complete packaging solutions. Professional packaging ensures every shipment arrives safely, wherever your business is. Premium hydraulic breakers by Beilite. OEM, ODM, and private label manufacturing available to help grow your brand. Every detail matters. Every breaker counts manufacturing confidence, delivering performance. That's the Beilite standard built in our factory, trusted around the world. Looking for a reliable hydraulic breaker supplier? Contact Beilite today for product solutions and a competitive quotation.